Be ready, start. In the course of the debate yesterday on the Home Ministry demands, a number of points were raised by honorable members. Stowe. In particular, I am happy that some members of this House appreciated the efforts that were being made by the state governments as also by the center so far as the various subjects under discussion were concerned, especially so far as the law and order situation was concerned. It was very good on the part of some members to have appreciated the efforts made by the state governments in this regard. Stop Stenja. There was a number of other points also which were raised, and in respect of some of them, I should like to enlighten the House so far as the real position is concerned. So, these points deal very briefly with Tripura, the Andamans, Delhi, and Gujarat, and they have also some bearing on the question of the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, and the services store. These, therefore, are the various points, and I should like to place the correct picture before this House so that the House will know what government have been doing so far as all these questions are concerned. Stop Stenja. With your permission, I would deal briefly with Tripura first. Stop. When the Part C States Act was passed in view of a number of circumstances, the geographical position of the state, the backward nature of the state, the existence of a very large number of tribal people, and a number of other circumstances, it was considered advisable so far as the administration of this state was concerned that it ought to be directly under the government of India so that they can spend more for the purpose of developing this backward area. Stop. Now the question is often raised why we are not immediately introducing popular government in this tiny state, the population of which is 500,000 store. That question cannot be considered singly but will be considered in the context of the report that we are receiving very shortly. Store in the course of the next 3 or 4 months from the State Reorganization Commission. Store. The whole question will be considered. Store. Their recommendations will be placed before the House, and only then government will take appropriate action. Store. So far as the present regime is concerned, it will also be kindly noted that it is not an autocratic rule in the popularly accepted sense of the term. Stop Stenja. The next question that I would like to deal with is the paragraph in the President's address relating to the progress made in our economy, in our agricultural sector, in our industrial sector, in our foreign trade, etc. Stop. Sir, you were pleased to read out to us a very large list of the achievements of the Congress government during the last decade and the important targets which have been achieved during the last 10 years of our planned economy. Stop. You also mentioned the question of increase in food production, increase in the production of agricultural commodities, etc. Stop. Fortunately, sir, here we have in our midst the ex-deputy chairman of the Planning Commission, Sri V.T. Krishnamachari, who has addressed a number of meetings and seminars in New Delhi recently, drawing our attention to the weakness in our agricultural sector. Stop. if the press reports are correct. In one seminar, he mentioned that even if all the targets of the 10th 5-year plan are achieved, still at the end of the 10th 5-year plan period, we may be facing a serious situation regarding the supply of agricultural commodities stock. He has also expressed the hope that we will be able to exceed the targets which have been fixed for the 10th 5-year plan store. I do not know whether his expectation of exceeding the targets will be fulfilled or not, but it is quite clear that we have not been able to give sufficient attention to the development of the agricultural sector store. It has also been stated that development of the agricultural sector is one of the most difficult tasks tasks which we have found difficult both by democratic countries as well as by countries in which total planning is going on stop. It is all the more reason, therefore, that we should pay more attention to the agricultural sector so that it may be possible for us to meet our requirements as and when they arise, and the situation which he has foreseen at the end of 10th 5-year plan may not materialize stop. It is no use merely taking refuge behind some of the figures which have been compiled and narrating the progress which has already been achieved. Stop. We are happy that some progress has been achieved, but we are anxious that more progress should be there, and for that purpose also certain definite steps will be taken. Stop over.